In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to see your Google Calendar all events on your Apple Watch. First of all, we have to add the Google account in our iPhone. So go to your iPhone settings app. In settings app, scroll down and find out calendar. Or you can just tap on apps and tap on your Apple Calendar. Tap on calendar accounts. Tap on add account. Select here Google account. And then all you have to need, go ahead, sign into your Google account for your Apple Calendar. Once you successfully added your Google account in your calendars, tap on Gmail. And here, make sure to enable or sync calendars. Once done, on your iPhone, go ahead and open the Apple Calendar app. And from your calendar app, tap on this calendar icon. In here, under Gmail, you find your Gmail account. Just enable this option and this will start to sync all your Gmail calendar events to your iPhone calendar. Once it's enabled, tap on done. And now let's create a event, for example. So I'm tap on this plus icon. And event title I'm giving here online class, and then I'm just selecting a starting date and a starting time, for example, and selecting a end date and a time. Now you can just go ahead and adjust this event settings. Now I'm tapping on create and I have successfully created a event on my Google account. Now let's see how to see the Google account from my Google event from my Apple Watch. So I'm pressing the crown to go into my app library. In app library, open the Apple Calendar. In here, tap on this three dot at the bottom right and view option, select list. And then here, as you can see, my created Google Calendar events are showing on my Apple Watch. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.